back to Drip or Drop. My name is Gabrielle Moses, your host, and today we're looking at some crazy heels. We might break our ankles today, or I don't know. I just have a feeling this is gonna end very badly because these heels are just insane. Like, why are these online and do people actually buy them? First up, we're not going quietly. We're just going out there with a bang. These are reminding me of New Year's Eve. I don't know who would even wear these on New Year's Eve. I don't understand how they even work. For the price of almost $87, that's a very expensive price to pay, literally to break your foot while walking. It just doesn't make sense. None of it makes sense whatsoever, but we're gonna try it anyways. It still doesn't make sense. Nothing makes sense about these shoes. The balance, oh, there's kind of a cheetah print on the inside. That's kind of cute. There's no way, okay, but we're gonna try it anyway. Oh, they're itchy already. Oh, they do fit, barely. There's no way. Guys, there ain't no way. But the sparkles are legitimately getting everywhere. They're not comfortable to put on. It's like the sparkles dig into your skin and are very unforgiving. I feel like this would be in a 2008 music video. So bright. You really cannot put any weight on your heel though, or else that happens. That's just oh my gosh. I totally just almost broke my foot. On to the next pair. Next up is a pair from Shein, however you want to say it. These are on sale for $25.25, originally $28, but these don't look that bad. They're giving Bratz, and I kind of like them. Let's see if they're actually comfortable or if they're absolutely terrible. This is really giving Bratz. These are my favorite ones of today, I think. It's a process though, lacing it up. Feet pose, check them out. Do you like them? They're pretty stable though. The kind of shape is throwing me off. 10 out of 10 might wear these out because they're not uncomfortable. They're pretty. Where'd she go? I don't know. When she catch her? She cute. She nice. It is just really giving Bratz for sure. 8 out of 10. And they're unique, so. What is up with all the gold here, guys? This next pair is another gold pair. They're fun. The heels are different. They don't look terrible. I know I could break my foot in any heel, but these look a little bit more on the safer side. It's giving like SpongeBob character, like Mermaid Man or Barnacle Boy. They're pointy though, so like if you need a weapon, just like whip this thing out, put this on your finger and just get them. It looks stable. Oh, they kind of are rocky. It's a little bit rocky. I don't know. They're comfy. My feet are sliding like all the way through though. They're sliding. There's like, nah, I can't make these cute. There's no. I thought for a second, but then I was like, Gab, wait a minute. You're not like losing it that much. No. Immediately, no. The flow is not there. 10 out of 10 would not recommend if you plan to like run away from your date. You won't get too far, they'll catch you. What even are these pairs? I have never seen a let it peel. Like, you know the little toddler shoes that you run around and you stomp and it lights up? That's what it's giving. This is toddlers and tiaras heel style. And I don't think the heel lights, like how does that even work? There's no way they're gonna be that cool. If you look really closely, ow, see? There we go, guys. One foot on. There we go. Okay, whoa. We're getting some height. We're becoming the height I always wanted to be. Oh my gosh, I feel like a cheerleader again in this. Woo! Yeah! Okay, anyways. I'm getting distracted way too easily. This is literally if Cinderella became a stripper. These are the shoes she would wear. It's giving glass slipper, but like with the dirty side. You gotta pound really hard though to get it light. These are surprisingly comfy. Like I didn't expect it. It's like hugging my feet in all the right ways. Bow, chicka, wow, wow. Yeah, definitely Cinderella stripper vibes. Oh yes, I could do that. nighttime so you can see the ground while you're walking. These are like safety shoes. They might be stilettos, but you're not getting hurt in these bad boys. And last but not least, what in the world? What in the world? For $80 too. It's like the 70s threw up on a stripper heel or something like that. You couldn't even wear these to a rave. Like, they're not walkable. There's no way. Amazon, how many people actually buy these shoes? Do people wear them in real life? Time for these bad boys. There's just so many things I could say about this, but I don't know if it's appropriate. Like, it's the 70s with a little bit of sugar and spice added to it, if you know what I mean. Look at how tiny that stiletto is. It's like a toothpick. Like, my body weight might not be able to hold up on these things. But again, it's gonna make me that supermodel height I always wanted but never got. Oh. They're like lined and suede. Like, my feet are already sweating. They're shoes. They're on. It's a little bit sus, but like, it's not terrible. But there's no way people actually buy this and wear these out. Like, someone thought to themselves, this would look really good going to the grocery store in. Or on a Friday night out if you want a little bit of extra pizzazz. You got these. But I don't understand, why does it need the platform right here on the front? Whoa. I almost fell backwards. Had to stick the landing. They're just very, like, in your face. Wa-cha, like kaboom. Easy. Yeah. I'd give it an 8 for stilettos on a run test. Like, I'm feeling like I can do some hurdles, you know? Anyways, guys, that's all I have for you guys today. These heels, wow, they're in your face just like that. But we have so many more interesting episodes. Interesting is just the best way to put it, because these clothes that we're trying, out there. But be sure to hit that subscribe button if you do want to see more things that I try on. And let's see if it's some drip or if we're just gonna drag it. So I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.